Hey guys, welcome to Brew Espresso Call. Today's topic is how to make affogato. So in case you don't really know what an affogato is, it's an Italian drink and it's made of espresso and ice cream. And it's really tasty, especially if you're craving something sweet. It's just perfect. So if you'd like to watch me make it and find out what the recipe is, keep watching. So the first thing you want to do is grind your coffee beans and use them to pull your espresso shot. After you've made the espresso shot, take your favorite mug and some vanilla ice cream. For affogato, you're gonna need 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. And after that, add your espresso shot on top. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it was very easy for you to follow along. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below and we'll make sure to get back to you. And if you're a coffee lover or espresso lover, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we'll be posting much more content that's coffee or espresso related. My affogato is ready to be enjoyed, so I'm gonna be taking a few sips of it. It's absolutely delicious. See you guys next time. Bye!